You've probably tried ChatGPT. Maybe you've asked it a question about your business, and it gave you a generic answer that sounded smart but didn't actually help. That's because general AI tools don't know your business. They don't know your customers, your calendar, your team, your production schedule. They're working with zero context. We're different. MFG Edge connects to your actual systems, your calendar, your CRM, your email. When you ask, "What's on my plate today?" you're not getting a generic productivity tip. You're getting your real schedule, your real emails, your real customer issues. That's the difference between a chatbot and a business tool. A chatbot gives you information. A business tool gives you your information. We don't replace your systems. We connect them. And we give you one place to access everything by just asking a question. That's what an AI chief of staff is. It's not a chatbot. It's not a search engine. It's a tool that knows your operation,